Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we can change the display resolution of our monitor. The resolution is basically the density of the image calculated in pixels. We'll talk about that a bit more later in detail. Stay with us till the end and we'll also show you another way, a more advanced way to change the resolution that offers you more options. So what we want to do, guys, first is just open the Settings app, and the quickest way to do that is just by right-clicking on the Start button and left-clicking on Settings here. This will open the Settings app. We need to go to System, which is already selected when you open the Settings app, and then, guys, we want to left-click on Display, which is the first option. And this takes us to the place where we can play with the display resolution, which is located here under Scale and Layout, and you can change the setting from here, guys, using this button. Alternatively, a quicker way to access these settings is just by right-clicking anywhere on the desktop and then going to Display Settings, and that takes you straight into the Settings app under Display, where you can scroll down and access the display resolution. As we can see, the number shown here is the resolution that you currently have on. If you left click once, it will show you all the available options. Okay guys, so we've changed the resolution to 800 by 600. As you can see, the image has a different aspect ratio, so it looks like a square now. And also you might see some pixelation and the objects appear larger. Let's try a different resolution. Okay guys, so we changed the resolution again. As we can see, based on the numbers, the image is now back to landscape mode, meaning we don't have any black margins on the left and on the right. Sorry about that. And also we have a bit more detail, so we can notice the pixels. We don't notice the pixels so easily. The image is more smooth. And the scale of the objects has changed also. So the windows, the text and the buttons, they all appear a bit smaller. So guys, you can play with the resolution to change these things. A smaller resolution is good if you have a poor system performance and you see objects on your screen moving in frames, so to say. But if you have a good PC, you can select a larger resolution for better image quality. If you go to Advanced Display, which is just below, you have the option here that says Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. So if you left click on this, it will open the properties for our display device, and here where it says List All Modes, if you click, you will see more resolution options, so to say. So in here we have more options than we had in the previous window. Okay guys, that's it in regards to the resolution of your desktop. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.